Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Steam in-game overlay not working. To start, open Steam. Now go to the Steam menu and open Settings. After, go to the in-game section. You are going to confirm that it is enabled or activate the switch. Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Here, check the overlay shortcut keys. After, in the library, right-click on the game and click on Properties. In this window, in the General section, check that the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game switch is Enable. After this, in the taskbar, right-click on the Steam icon and choose Exit Steam. Finally, from the search box, access Steam again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.